back to my YouTube channel. So today I have a visitor and her name is
Winnie Mwalewa.
the other one.
Mwangemi. Okay.
Wait, what is how do you get Mwangemi?
Mwangemi. Oh, Mwangemi is my grandfather's name. Oh, it is a very long story. It's going to be long.
It's fine, let's hear it.
Okay, so I was supposed to be called Mnyazi, but apparently it did not appear in the birth certificate. So I've always been using Mwangemi ever since. So since I've been using Mwangemi, I used it when I was in primary school for my KCPE exam. So since it appeared in my first certificate, it had to appear in my KCSE certificate as well.
So you don't use the same name as your dad?
As in, I use Mwalewa is my father. How do I even explain it? Like back home, my surname is like the name of my father.
Ah,
That's how it works.
so your father has a different name because it's the name of his dad.
Yeah, it's the name of his dad.
It's very different with us. We have the same name.
Yeah.
My dad, my family mountain, my mom mountain, like everyone is mountain in the family. So for you it's different.
Yeah, it changes.
Oh, okay, that's interesting, guys. That's very interesting.
Very
So
interesting.
Winnie here is from Kenya, and where is Kenya?
Kenya is in the eastern part of Africa. The best place ever, of course. So, our capital city is Nairobi, the greatest city ever. Okay, and
Alright,
Mombasa.
Winnie. Alright.
Yeah, everybody knows
Humble
Nairobi.
break.
Yeah, like, remember that thing, that Spanish thing? What was it? Oh my God, the time of money is the Casa de Papel. Nairobi was there, come on. So, and then,
You know the Wakanda was Sesotho. I'm looking at that.
okay, I was almost attacking
But the blankets they used, those are blankets Sena Marina from Lesotho, guys. Literally. And literally, we are the Wakanda. We literally the Wakanda. Lesotho is the Wakanda.
Oh my God. Should I tell you something? Lupita Nyong'o there. She's coming from Kenya. Come on. Okay, what was I saying? Okay, and I live in Mombasa. Mombasa is also in the eastern part of Kenya, but next to the ocean. That's like the best place ever. Even if Nairobi is nice, but Mombasa is nicer. So I live there. When you come there, you will even forget your home.
Really?
You forget Lesotho. You will even
Guys,
want to
visit Kenya, please.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
visit
go to
Kenya.
Kenya. I'm gonna go.
She's
to Kenya.
coming there.
I'm really.
You're going to miss her. 43 trips.
Do you speak the same language?
No, different languages, but the national language is Swahili. So most of the people communicate through Swahili. And other people speak English, but they are those people.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, in my language, I mean in my country, so we do have clans, like we have those groups, but what makes it different is that we speak one language. We speak Sesotho. Like in Lesotho, you go there, you speak Sesotho. Like everyone understands you, what you're saying. I just said everyone understands you. So today we'll be doing a language challenge. Okay, I have some few words that I think she cannot say. I have tongue twisters that I think she cannot say. So she has the same, and she thinks I cannot say some of the words in Swahili. So we'll see about that, guys. Team Lesotho. Okay, southern part of Africa, guys. I got highest. Okay, guys. So now I'll teach you how to say hello. How are you? Fine. Thank you. Oh, I love you. Yeah, that's all. Five words. Today we're just doing 5 words with her in Sesotho. She's gonna do
The same
in Swahili.
The easiest language ever.
Okay, guys, listen to mine first. You will judge.
Okay.
So in Sesotho, how you say hello? If it's one person, it's Dumela. Like Dumela Winnie.
And then I
You
respond.
say Dumela Nu.
Oh, Dumela.
Yeah. And then how you say how are you is Hujang.
Hujwang. That's easy.
Yeah, Hujang. That's like how are you. You can respond by saying Isha, but that's a slang for saying I'm fine.
Okay.
But if you really want to say the real, like, how are you in the, like, deep Sesotho, maybe I can say, for the lack of words, ophela jwang.
Ophela jwang.
Okay, and then you
I'm
say,
a natural.
ke phela hantle.
Ke phela hantle. Yeah. Lesotho here I come.
Okay, and then you say, ke a leboha.
Ke a leboha.
And then that's thank you.
Thank you.
And then you say, ke a o rata.
Ke a o rata. What did they flip on that? No.
Ke a o rata.
Ke a o rata. No.
Okay.
No,
Okay, I can do with that.
Yeah. Okay, now it's my time. Okay, hello and how are you? I think they are almost the same. So we say mambo, and then you reply poa. That is so easy. Like you can't even forget that. Then after hi and hello, how are you?
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Asante. Come on, who doesn't know
Asante
asante?
sana.
Yeah. Asante sana means
another
thank
word.
you very much. And the last one is
I love you.
I love you. Nakupenda.
Nakupenda.
And when you say I love you too, you say nakupenda pia. And if I love you so much, nakupenda sana.
Nakupenda sana.
Yeah, the language of love.
So guys, we've settled the beginnings, the greetings and everything. Now we're getting to the real stuff, the good stuff. So Winnie, I want you to say, it's a tongue twister guys.
Yeah.
Even you Basotho, please try it guys. Try it if you can say it in 10 seconds. Let's see if you can say it. Don't cheat. Comment down below and tell me if you can say it in 10 seconds. Oh Jesus!
She failed in her own
No, wait.
I'm basically the winner.
I don't have to feel myself. Qoqolosing unantsa qhaputa sinkankan sense qhaputa ka metsi a qanthaneng Qemeqoane Qwaqwa.
Okay, no, it's just clicking.
Can you say that in 10 seconds?
No.
No, for you, no, I understand. I'm very generous, you know. I'm gonna say word by word, and then you say it along with me.
Okay, but I think you are being too hard on me.
Kamutubel.
Kamutebel.
Mohena Qoqolosing.
Mohena Totolosi. Okay, let me try clicking. Sabusa. Sabusa.
Sing kanka.
No. Can we? You don't have any other twister in mind, like? Come on. I'm very sure Sesotho does not
giving up. She's
involve
already.
a lot of
Already, she's giving up.
Come on, people. Do you click this much? No, she has put clicking there. No, I can't accept that.
Okay.
No.
Let's do away with the clicking.
Yes.
It means for that. Okay, for now, that because we don't know. For me, for now, for clicking, you don't really have a lot of points there. So let's go to simple words. Guys, this girl has been with us since January, right?
I've been
February.
Yeah,
February. But till today, she doesn't know how to say boho. Guys, it would just mean how do you say it?
Titebo. But I've tried.
You've tried this one.
Yeah, because
it used to be Didebo.
No, it's because I used to think that you replace the L's with the D because Mudiei is Mudiei and Sitten Muliei. So when I saw so I assumed that you remove the L's and put the D's. I kept on saying Didebo, but since I heard you saying
I'm a good teacher.
Titebo. I tried my best. Qoqolosing.
Wow, you're natural.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me come with the Sankatan.
Sankatan. That's easy.
Guys, no man. I need to
Yeah.
come up with something else. No, not the clicking.
No clicking, please. I don't want to lose my tongue.
Letsatsi,
Letsatsi.
mogotlong.
Mogoto.
But you
I
tried.
thought I did it right. Where are you?
Mogogo,
Mogogo.
go,
Go.
mogogo.
Mogogo.
I'm running out of words, literally.
I'm a professional at this.
Okay, no, now you go with your turn now.
Swahili is so easy. She's going to flow. So this tongue twister goes like this. Let me start before. Okay. Wale watu wa liwali, wala wali, waliwali. So it means, should I tell you the meaning first or you should start
tell me
saying?
what it means.
Okay, it means wale means those, and then watu means people, and then watu wa liwali. Liwali is like somebody or a group, and then wala means it, and then wali means cooked rice, and then wa means of, liwali means someone or a group of people.
Wale watu, wali wali, wala, wali wali.
No.
What did I miss?
Wala wali waliwali.
Wala wali, wali wali. I finished the tongue twister, guys. I finished it.
She got into my dreams. She said it during the night.
I'm a natural, guys. I'm a very natural.
Okay, if you say so.
The words that you think I cannot say.
Oh, nidamu.
Nidamu.
Mjomba. No, I am pronouncing it like you. No. Mjomba.
Minyo.
I like the way you say that. Okay, now say gorofa.
Gorofa.
Oh, you are saying gorofa. Anyways, but
How do you say?
no, like it won't make a difference. You are very correct. Like you are doing it so well now. I feel like, what am I giving? All these words are
Gorofa.
Gorofa.
What does it mean?
A building, a story building. And then gari.
Gari.
Yeah, that's a car.
Gari.
And then let me tell you some Swahili words that are the same as, almost the same as
Sesotho.
No, not Sesotho, but Arabic. Okay, since you're in Algeria, I've been hearing a lot of Arabs speaking a lot of Arab. And I've been hearing words in Swahili that sound the same.
Yeah,
as,
no, Swahili was taken, some of it was taken from Arabic. Sorry, I read that.
Okay. Like Arabs say thank you as shukran. The other word for asante is shukrani in Swahili. And then obviously they call the ocean bahar. We call it bahari. Yeah,
that's
like
very similar.
Yeah, the only difference is that we put an I at the end. Like you see shukrani, bahari, and then the other things. We are a diverse language.
Okay,
Because Indians also, we share words with them. Let's say the Middle East part and some part of Asia. Yeah, go and Google tea in Hindu. It's chai, and we call chai the same thing.
First, chai is like when we have a of maize or chai whole, like that season, it's your season. Hey, chai, chai na hey. Yeah, that's what we have words like that, but probably they always mean something different.
Okay.
So guys, follow her. Okay.
Yeah, follow me.
On
I really need following.
vote. So Team Lesotho or Team Kenya?
Team Kenya.
Guys, Team guys, listen. You know, I'm representing the southern part of Africa. Yo guys.
And I'm representing the greatest part of Africa. The eastern part. Who doesn't like that part?
Who doesn't like the second part?
Come on, you know who to like, who to like. So it is obvious.
So guys, you know I've been saying the Wali Wali very well. So please, who won?
And you know she's being too hard on me. She's clicking too
That's
much.
my language though. That's my language.
You are sounding like a Zosa instead of what are they called? Sa.
The Khoisan.
Oh, the Khoisans and they're the ones who do the clicking.
Click, yeah.
Anyways, I don't click and I taught her so well, so I am the winner.
Guys, today, as of today, it was her first time to say Ditebuho. Aren't I a good teacher?
Okay, she's a good teacher, but
thank you. Now that's
Wale
why
Wale, I did it so well. She vote for me.
Vote, subscribe, do the right thing, follow her.
Follow me.
And we love you so much. How do you say?
Oh, nawapenda sana.
Nawapenda sana. How do you say goodbye?
Kwaheri.
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 In my language you say bye bye. Salahan.
Oh, salahank.
Salahan.
Salahank. Salahank.